Hello everyone, welcome again to Exponential Online Maths. In this lesson, we are going to solve this exponential equation before us. It is saying that 5 raised to the power of a plus 5 raised to the power of a, everything is equal to 100. And we want to find the value of a. So to solve this particular equation, consider the left-hand side where you are having 5 power a and 5 power a. They are 2, right? So you can factor it out. You can now see that 5 power a is common on both sides. Or 5 power a is common at the left-hand side. So if you factor it out, 5 power a divided by 5 power a will definitely give us 1 plus, and this 5 power a divided by 5 power a again is 1. Everything is equal to 100, right? Now, 1 plus 1 is 2, so we have 5 power a multiplied by what? 2. Everything is equal to 100. This is what we are having, that 5 power a multiplied by 2 is equivalent to what? 100. Now, why not divide both sides by 2 in order to get the value of 5 power a? Let's divide both sides by 2. And when we do that, you notice that 2 will cancel out 2, leaving us behind with 5 power a equal to 100 divided by 2 will give us 50. So you have 50. Now, the only alternative we have here is to take the logarithm of both sides. So you can say the logarithm of 5 to the power of a is equal to the logarithm of 50, right? Now, from laws of logarithm, this power of a will climb to the back. And when it comes to the back, we have a logarithm of 5 equal to logarithm of 50, all right? Now, let us divide both sides by log 5 so that a will stay alone. So you have log 5 all over log 5. So that log 5 will cancel out log 5. We have that a is equivalent to log 50 all over log 5. Now, do you know that I can break log 50 down? Log 50 can be written as the logarithm of 5 multiplied by 10, because 5 multiplied by 10 is 50 all over logarithm of 5, right? From multiplication laws of logarithm, you know that when you have log 5 times 10, you can call it logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 10, because this multiplication here will allow you to add everything all over logarithm of 5. So if we want to be smart here, this can be broken down as, we can call this logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 10 over logarithm of 5. Since the denominator is 5, they have a common denominator of 5, right? So we can ensure that the 5 is distributed between both terms in the numerator, so that log 5 divide itself will give us 1. So we have that a is equal to 1 plus log 10 all over log 5, right? Also, I can break log 10 down into logarithm of 2 times 5, because 2 times 5 will give me 10. Again, following the same law of logarithm, this can be seen as logarithm of 2 plus logarithm of 5 all over logarithm of 5, because multiplication ensures that you can add. Again, a becomes 1 plus logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 5 plus logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 5, right? So a becomes 1 plus logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 5 plus, when you divide log 5 by itself, you get a 1. So we can add this 1 and this 1 here to give us a 2 plus logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 5. You can stop here, but if you want, I want you to always remember that you can change the base. So we can call this a equal to 2 plus logarithm of 2 base 5. They are the same thing. You can change this to a base of 5 and that will give you this. So this is the solution to this particular problem. You can check to see if your answer is right. Remember, if we want to check to confirm the correctness of our answer, in the beginning we have 5 power a plus 5 power a equal to what? 100. So this is 2 into 5 power a, right? Equal to 100. And when we divided both sides by 2, we got that 5 power a is equal to 50, right? Now, let us use this value here to replace our a to see what it will give us. Now, when you replace a with the value, we have 5 power 2 plus logarithm of 2 base 5. Let us see if this will give us 50. We don't know, so there is a question mark. Once it gives us 50, it means that our solution is correct. Okay, so from laws of indices, you can call this 5 power 2 multiplied by 5 power log 2 base 5 equal to 50, because multiplication ensures that you can add the powers, right? Now, if you have log, or rather, if you have a log b base a, when the base here and this base are the same thing, it means that the answer is b. So in the same vein, when you have 5 power log 2 base 5, the answer will also be 2. So I'm going to replace this with 2, if you know logarithm laws. So you have 5 power 2 multiplied by 2. Can this give us 50? That's the equation here. Okay, that's what you want to find out. Now, what is 5 power 2? 5 power 2 is definitely 25 multiplied by 2. Can this give us 50? That is the equation. Of course, when you multiply 25 by 2, you are getting a 50. You can now confirm that both sides are correct, are balanced. And because both sides are balanced, we can conclude that our solution is totally correct. Okay, so you can now see that the value of a that satisfies the given equation is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 5. If you've enjoyed what you've watched, please kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel so that you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. Okay? Thank you so much and may God bless you. Bye bye.